Hey guys, it's Erica from Erica Memory Plans. Welcome back to my channel for another memory plan with me. I know I had said that I was going to be posting all of my Christmas spreads last week. Last week was just so hectic. I did post something on Instagram. So for you guys that did see that, I was just working, or who didn't see that, I was working crazy hours between both of my jobs last week and I got pretty sick. So I just needed to not stress myself out because I was stressing myself out for like 2 days because I was like, I need to get these videos filmed so I can upload them. But I ended up just kind of putting it on the back burner and really taking care of myself first and getting my work done. So I apologize for not having these videos up last week, but my goal is to get these filmed because I just have this one and then week the next week after that, which is Christmas. So I only have two left. And that'll be my last spread in this Erin Condren planner. So let's just go ahead and get started with the base and in the day by day. So this kit is another kit from Murdock Talks, which I have been, oh my gosh, just obsessing over. I love this art and I just love Ashley's kits that she's been coming out with. I do have a wish list going on of things I need to pick up. She does ship from Canada, so the shipping cost is a little bit expensive. So I do like to kind of buy in bulk. So that's why I do have like a list going on. But highly recommend her kits if you haven't checked her out already. I will have her shop linked down below. But just like last week, again, I'm using a kit from her. There's just so many, the box options are just awesome, and then you have so many like labels and half boxes and quarter boxes. There's so much left over. So in my video that I will be posting next for Christmas, I will be doing a giveaway of all my extras that I've had for this year for Christmas. I just think that'd be fun for you guys to kind of have like a theme type of extras bag, if that makes any sense. So if you guys are interested in that, be sure to watch my next video I will have posted here in the next couple days, and I will give out more details then. But that is kind of like the basics for this. I also did some full box overlays. A lot of them are from Sticker Guru that I had purchased when they were out for a $2 Tuesday. I do PR for Sticker Guru, so you guys can actually use my code Erica15 to get 15% off of your purchase, including $2 Tuesdays, which is really awesome. So they end up being less than $2. It's a great deal. And then I also use some overlays from Murdock Talks and I think Scribble Prints Co. And then for the glitter header overlays, I also use a mixture of Murdock Talks and Scribble Prints Co. too. So let's just go ahead and get into the day by day. Excuse my nails, I don't have them painted. I had made an appointment, but I ended up skipping my appointment to get my nails done that day when I filmed this. So they look really bad, at least for me. But okay, first thing I want to mark on Monday, so this is for December 14th through the 20th. First thing is I had the day off on Monday from Lululemon. I did have to work at the school. I think, yeah, I did work at the school, but I had Lululemon off, which was really nice. So the day off script is from Murdock Talks. I also edited a video during my split shift because I do work in the morning at the school, and if I'm not working at Lululemon, I go back in the afternoon. So during my split, I did edit some videos. The edit script is from Avenue K Designs. I think that's what it is called. She's no longer open. And then I use a scribbler from Scribble Prints Co. On the computer. I also had really bad anxiety this whole entire week. It was crazy. Um, I'm not going to go into what was going on, but it was a crazy week for us. So the UGG Back Off Anxiety sticker is from Letters to Apollo, which I do PR for until the end of this month. So make sure to take advantage of using my code Erica10 to get 10% off. And then I use a fox and cactus girl to mark the just having really bad anxiety. I also cooked some dinner this day. The cook script is from Right Brain Paper Co. and the girl that is cooking is from Papershire. I also called my dad and Gabby this day just because of everything that was going on, and I needed to talk to them. So both of those scripts are from Right Brain Paper Co. They are customs, and she's no longer open at this time. And then the FaceTime phone sticker is from GP Studio. And then I also could not sleep this day. I used a munchkin to mark that, and I actually used up that whole entire sheet, so I need to purchase more from Marg. But that was my last sticker, so I used a Munchkin. And then on Tuesday, I went to work and came home, and Dean was cleaning the house, which was very nice. He cleans like when he's like stressed out and just, I don't know. So even though he was stressed, it was really nice to have the house cleaned, not by me. So it was so nice just to come home to a nice clean house. So I used a Fox and no, what is this from? Pumpkin Paper Co. guy to mark that, and a tidy up script from SPC. I was also yet again just really annoyed and anxious this day, so I used an annoyed custom script from Kinsey's Creations and a Munchkin to just mark being annoyed. And then down below on Tuesday, I marked that I had a really bad migraine. Excuse me, a really bad migraine. I don't have migraine scripts, so I put a headache script instead. The headache script is a custom. Actually, I don't think it's a custom. I think she may have it in her shop now, but it's from Kinsey's Creations, and I used a Stick with the Plan Co-Girl to mark that. And then I also had a YouTube binge to end my night on Tuesday. The YouTube binge is a sticker from Station Stickers, which I do have a code for as well. It's just my name. You can use Erica to get 10% off unless she's running some sort of other sale, which I think this weekend, or maybe it was last weekend, she was doing a printed sale. But always just check her out on Instagram. She always mentions when she does have printed sticker sales. But you guys can just use my code Erica to get 10% off. And then I use a Fox and Pip Girl to mark that. Moving on into Wednesday. Wednesday was so cold. We blasted the heater. It was really, really cold. It doesn't, I mean, obviously it doesn't get super cold here, but it was pretty cold that day. So I used an emoji from the Coffee Monsters Co. to mark that. And then this day I found my second gray hair. I mean, I've always had one gray hair for like, I think it's been like 2 years now. And it always grows back no matter how many times I pull it. So I just let it grow. It's my one gray hair. But now I have two. And I think it was because of how stressed I was this whole week. I feel like I've never been like this stressed before. But I I blame that why I have this second gray hair. So I found my second gray hair. And then I also FaceTime my dad again this day. The FaceTime script is from Right Brain Paper Co. And the dad script is a custom from Kinsey's Creations. And I used an emoji from the Coffee Monsters Co. And then I also ordered some stuff from Lululemon this day. The Lululemon sticker is from Adorable Amy Designs, and that was a custom. And then the order script is also from Kinsey's Creations, and I use a fox, or no, not a fox and pip. I can't. It's like Pumpkin Paper Co. The same one that that guy is from. That's the same sticker I use on the computer. And then I also could not sleep again this day, so I use a fox and cactus sticker to mark that. Moving on into Thursday, I was so tired. I had to wake up early, obviously for work, but I couldn't sleep the night before, so I was exhausted. The Tired AF script is from Murdock Talks, and I use a Stick with the Plan Co-Girl to mark that. After work, I came home and took a nap because it was much needed. I used a paper and milk sticker Maru to mark it, and then a script from SPC that says nap. And then I also worked early this day, so I really didn't get that long of a nap. I think I started at like noon, but it wasn't much time in between getting off work and starting again. So I used a munchkin to mark that. And then I was just stressed AF. So I used a stressed AF script from Letters to Apollo and a munchkin. And then I just had a Netflix and chill night by myself. I just needed some alone time for a bit. The TV sticker is from Right Brain Paper Co. and the Netflix and chill script is from SPC, along with the me time script I put underneath that. And I use a Kirsten munchkin from SPC and Letters or Once More with Love is like a little collab they did to mark my me time. Moving on into Friday, I had to do a Target run to get some dog food. The girl is from Fox and Cactus, and the Target run script is from SPC. I was also late tired this day, so I used a late tired munchkin to mark that. And I did some laundry because we were getting ready to leave the next day to go back home for the holidays. The laundry script is from Murdock Talks, and then a pumpkin, or why do I keep saying that? It's from Paper and Milk, the Maru washing machine. And then I also got some gifts for my kiddos, which was so nice because I had only worked there, I think, for 2 weeks. And since it was Christmas, not obviously, but like the kids do give the teachers little gifts for Christmas, and they gave me quite a bit. I was not expecting anything, honestly, but it was so nice to get that from them. And then just because it was the last day before break, the kids were a handful. So I used a Not Today Satan sticker because it was crazy. I honestly could not wait to just leave and start my break because it was probably the most hectic day so far since being there. And then I also published a plan with me this day. So the published sticker is from Ice Cream Joe, and I use an emoji to mark that. Moving on into Saturday, I slept in because we did have a long drive, so I wanted to get as much sleep as possible. The sleep in script is from SPC, and I use a pumpkin paper co-girl to mark that. I also packed this day. I did not pack the night before, so we just kind of had to throw everything. I did pack very light, so it wasn't a lot for me to pack. The pack script is from Station Stickers, and I use a munchkin to mark that. I also had a very emotional day before leaving. I had like an anxiety attack essentially. I'm pretty sure that's just what it was. I just could not stop crying. So I was really emotional, and thank God I have Dean. So he was there to just help me through everything, but it was just I was just overwhelmed and just so much going on that week. I needed him. I needed to just cry it out, and I needed him to just comfort me. So that was really nice. And then we got on the road and have our travel day. So I use a Paper and Milk Maru to mark that. And the travel day script is from Right Brain Paper Co. We also had a crime binge. We always listen to the Mile Higher podcasts on the way home. They have so many podcasts out, and they're like an hour to 2 hours long. So it makes the drive go by so fast, and that's all we listen to. So we had our crime binge. The crime binge script is a custom from Right Brain Paper Co. And I used an emoji to mark that. We also did a Starbucks run, of course, because we need coffee for our, I think it only took us 13 and a half, maybe 14 hours this time. So it was a quick. Okay, let's be real. It was not a quick drive, but it was a lot faster than most of the drives back home. And then the Starbucks script is from Letters to Apollo, and I used a Paper and Milk coffee cup to mark that, which I have not hauled yet. I actually just got a whole bunch of stickers from Paper and Milk, which I could not wait to use. So I did use a few in this plan with me. And then we also stopped at Chipotle because that's where we always stop. We always stop at Chipotle. We stop at the one, I think it's like in Palm Springs. I get Chipotle, and he gets Jersey Mike's every single time. So I got my Chipotle in. The Chipotle script is from Letters to Apollo, and the burrito bowl sticker is from Papershire. And then I put down that we went to my dad's house, or I went to my dad's house. That is a sticker from Happy Day, which was a gift from Sage. And then moving on into Sunday, my dad made menudo. I love menudo. It is my favorite. If you don't know what it is, you can look it up. Dean thinks it's so gross, which I'm sure a lot of you guys would think it's gross, but it's like a traditional Mexican dish, and that's what I wanted when I got home. And so my dad made it. It takes a bit to make, so he woke up early or once he got off work, he just like made it. And it was so good. And then I was feeling not the greatest that day, so I put a sick script from Letters to Apollo and a Wonton a Million sticker to mark that. I did get sick over break because I get sick every year for Christmas, so I was not feeling the greatest. And then I also was playing with some of my oils because a lot of them were delivered to my dad's house. And then I also FaceTimed Dean and went to bed pretty early that day because I was not feeling 100%. So that completes this week's plan with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If I forgot to mention anything, you can always ask me down below. I'd be more than happy to answer those comments. If you guys have any questions about anything else, leave them down below in the comment section. But here is what my spread looks like. Make sure to hit that like button if you guys enjoyed this video, and hit subscribe if you are not subscribed already. What else? Oh, Instagram. You guys can follow me on Instagram. It is Erica Marie Plans. I will be posting close-ups of these. I haven't posted my last one either, so I need to post that actually today. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. All right, bye guys.